今日教大家一則新聞英語啦，呢一度咧報紙嘅即係 title 就寫啦 Official MTR to allow parents to travel with their pets starting May。咁咧即係講緊呢嗰個地鐵公司啦，MTR 就係地鐵公司啦。我哋咧講 MTR 就可以啦。如果 British English 英式英文嘅話，我哋唔使講 MTR 都得啦。MTR to allow 即係即將去容許啦。咁咧 to allow 咧，我哋唔需要講 is to allow 我哋講 to allow 就可以啦。Parents 即係話咧一啲無孩嘅家長係 paw 即係嗰隻即係動物嘅paw paw啦，即係嗰隻腳啦腳仔啦跟住加個 parents 嗰個 啦 parents 呢個就係 portmanteau 嚟嘅 portmanteau 咧即係兩個字加埋一齊就係 portmanteau 啦。To travel with their pets starting May 又係唔使講 starting from May， 我哋講 starting May 就可以啦。報紙嘅頭條咧，經常會用到省略一啲字眼啦，呢一個寫作嘅手法咧，去寫嘢嘅。咁咧啲 language 咧就係呢一啲嘅報紙嘅 language 就係有咁樣嘅特色啦。如果你有任何英文問題咧，或者想我咧去幫你補習英文啦，想知道英文啦點樣可以幫到你嘅工作更上一層樓咧，可以喺留言話幫我知英文。咁我哋睇下可以約個時間咧，同你做翻一個1對1嘅英文測試啦。